In this video, I'll show you how to connect MetaTrader 5 with Vantage. First, you need a Vantage Live or demo trading account. Vantage says MT5 access starts by opening a Vantage account, then downloading the MT5 platform from its website. After installation, you log in using your account number, password, and the correct Vantage server. Start by opening the Vantage client portal and creating or locating your MT5 account details. Then download MetaTrader 5 from Vantage's platform page and install it on your phone or computer. Vantage's setup guide says MT5 will ask for your login details after installation, or you can open the login screen manually later. Now open MetaTrader 5 and choose Connect to an existing account. Search for the Vantage server linked to your account, select it, then enter your login number and password. MetaQuote says this is the standard way to connect any broker account in MT5. On mobile, you do the same thing from the account management page by tapping Open an Account or New Account, then selecting the broker server. Once the login is accepted, your charts and trading account will load inside MT5. If it doesn't connect, double-check the server name, login number, and whether you're using the correct live or demo password from Vantage. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.